What if I told you that 99% of people make the same critical mistake daily? It's a mistake so common, it almost goes unnoticed, yet it silently sabotages success. Imagine Sarah, always busy, always working, but rarely feeling truly accomplished. She's constantly jumping between tasks, never fully dedicating herself to one thing. This is the core of the common error, the failure to truly focus and prioritize. Many believe multitasking is efficiency, but it's often a shortcut to mediocrity. Our brains aren't wired to handle multiple complex tasks effectively at once. Each context switch costs valuable time and significantly reduces overall productivity. Instead, dedicate uninterrupted blocks of time to your most important objectives. Block out distractions and dive deep into a single, meaningful task to completion. This simple shift from scattering efforts to deep focus changes everything for you. Stop making this mistake. Prioritize effectively and see your results soar dramatically. Embrace single tasking and unlock your true potential to achieve great things.